baby. Hey baby, what are you doing? Did you find something? Oh, is that playfish?
どんな風でもいいよ。はい、いいよ。
はい、どうぞ。柔らかいうちに。
ありがとうございました、おじさん。また来ます。Hey baby, I got some mochi. Alright, shall we go? Alright. Hey guys, every time I go to America, I get to try a new type of vegan burger, and I find them absolutely delicious. So today, I want to try and make it on myself. It's definitely a different experience from both normal beef burgers and the vegan burgers I've had. The homemade buns are mochi mochi, and the tofu meat texture is like chicken. It tastes great, and it's pretty healthy, so if you get a chance, please give it a try. First, I'm gonna prepare the buns. Mix flour, salt, yeast, and water in a bowl. And knead it into dough. Let the dough rest for a few minutes. Then knead the dough until the surface becomes smooth and soft. Let it rest for about an hour at 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Next, I'm gonna prepare the tofu meat. Cut firm tofu into chunks. Put it and water back into the container and freeze it. Defrost the tofu and squeeze it. It becomes like a sponge. You can just use pre-made soy meat instead to skip this step. Take out the dough and press it down to squeeze the gas out of it. Cut the dough into 5 to 6 pieces and shape them into bowls. Let them rest for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to let the tofu pieces soak in soy sauce with garlic powder. Next, place the dough in round baking molds. If you don't have molds like this, you can just use aluminum foil and shape it. Coat the inside of the molds with olive oil. Press the dough down and then let it rest for about an hour at 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. When the dough rises, coat it with olive oil and sprinkle some sesame seeds. Bake it for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Next, coat the tofu with potato starch and deep fry it at 160 degrees Celsius for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna make imitation cheese out of mochi. You can use any texture of mochi because we're just going to melt it anyway. Chop the mochi into small pieces. Mix with soy milk and melt it on low heat. Blend cashew nuts into a powder. Add agar powder and potato starch in a bowl and mix them well. Then mix with the mochi. Sprinkle some salt, lemon juice, and mustard. I added a yellow food coloring to try to match the image of a stereotypical cheeseburger, but you can skip this step. Next, I'm gonna make tofu mayonnaise. Blend soft tofu, olive oil, honey mustard, salt, and dill weed. Slice the buns in half. Prepare any ingredients you like for the burger. I have tomatoes, avocado, lettuce, red onion, pickles, soy meat, mochi cheese, and tofu mayo. The soy meat has a salty flavor, so I recommend adding vegetables that are refreshing and light, or citrus and sour to balance the flavors. Itadakimasu. This is actually really good. The soy meat actually, like the texture is really close to actual chicken or like, you know, the meat. Well, I'm gonna end up eating the rest of it. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.